Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E22. Begin with accessing Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola. Open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now just send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive over here next to send and history on your Motorola. Then you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories to choose all of your files that you wish to send. Then click on send next to selected. But it will take a long time to do it now, so instead I will go with only this one photo. Choose send and tap on got it in the pop-up. Now on an Android, click on yes I agree or no thanks, sorry, and then select close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and pointing our camera at this code. Or we can just input this key over here and click on receive. And as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!